Hello everyone, welcome to the Sun's Vlogs. Happy birthday Saz! Today I'm going to make your favorite dishes with lot of love. And guys, I'm excited to share the joyous process with you. So let's dive into the recipe and make this day extra special for my hubby. We are all well aware that every birthday or special occasion at our home commences with sweetness. So first in the morning, I plan to make a delightful Sevia kheer. And let's cook this sweet dish together. Certainly, start by heating a pot, add a small amount of ghee and begin by roasting the nuts and cardamom. Once done, set them aside. In the same pot, add vermicelli to the residual ghee and roast until golden. Then pour in milk, add sugar and let it simmer until the sevia are soft. Once the sevia are soft, introduce sweetened condensed milk for an added layer of flavor. And finally garnish with the roasted nuts and cardamom for a delicious sevia kheer. And there you have it, sweet and utterly delicious. The main ingredients are taro roots and mutton. First, let's soak lemon-sized tamarind in the water. We'll begin by meticulously washing and cutting the taro into bite-sized pieces. Now, place the taro pieces into the cooker and add a pinch of turmeric powder and salt as per the taste. And allow them to whizzle. After it's cooked, peel the pieces and set them aside. Next, we need to place the ingredients in the mixer jar and grind them. And the ingredients are as follows: 1 cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1½ medium-sized onion, 1½ medium-sized tomato, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon grated coconut, a few coriander leaves. Let's place all these ingredients into the mixer jar and grind them into a fine paste. Now take the mutton, cut into small pieces and wash it thoroughly. Ingredients for cooking: 3/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon urad dal, 1 small cinnamon, 2 cloves, a few curry leaves, half medium-sized onion, half medium-sized tomato, 500 grams mutton pieces, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per the taste and a few coriander leaves. Let's begin the cooking process. Start by heating 2 big spoons of oil in the cooker. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, curry leaves, cinnamon, cloves and onions. Roast them until golden. Now add tomatoes and roast them thoroughly along with the existing ingredients. Next, add the washed mutton pieces and incorporate turmeric powder and salt as per your taste and a few coriander leaves and saute them well until mutton is coated evenly. Now add the prepared paste from the mixer jar to the sauteed mutton. Mix them together thoroughly and allow it to cook for a minute. Next up, squeeze the soaked tamarind to extract the juice and add it to the cooker. Add the necessary amount of water for cooking the mutton. Check the salt. Then close the cooker and wait for 3 whistles or adjust based on the desired mutton texture. Open the cooker, check if the mutton is cooked well and assess the consistency. As a final step, add the cooked and peeled taro pieces. And place the curry on the flame for 5 minutes and voila, your curry is done. Indeed, the effort in preparing the curry is worth it and the delicious outcome pairs exceptionally well with white rice. Enjoy your flavorful creation and Saz loves it so much. Before we wrap up, a special shout out to my mum for sharing this incredible recipe. Thanks, Ami. That's it, and thank you guys for joining me until the end of this cooking video. I appreciate your time and enthusiasm. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.